Well, we have another question here, question 34. The question says, rewrite the following program so that it is properly formatted. Well, we can see this program as the way it is if we just rewrite the program as it is, or we copy and paste the program in our editor. This program will work, okay? But it looks, let's see, this is the same program as this one. Now, if I compile and run the program, this will be the result, okay? If you ask me, the program is working. I can write name, surname, and positive integer, so it will give me the program works, okay? Now, but I don't want it to, it doesn't look that, the program doesn't look great like this, okay? So what I can do, the way this doesn't really look great, what I can do, I want to leave some spaces here. You see, I want to write those together, leave space and write this space, and then also move. I don't want to declare all the variables like this, and then writing like cin over here and C out there is kind of messy, right? You see, the program is like a bunch of codes to get at stuff actually to understand what the program is doing. So now to make it easier is when we make some space in the lines, and this is how I will rewrite the program. I'm going to make it easier to read, I mean, as they said, properly formatted. So over here, I prefer to declare my variables, my constant variable like this. And then over here, I have a string variable, I declare salary, and I have another int variable there. I prefer to do it in the separated lines. And then over here, it says cout enter. This is why the program will prompt the user to enter the first name of the user, and then sign in should have been in the following line rather than the same line. You see, rather than being over here. Where is it? Over here, C in and C out. It's kind of, you know, that doesn't look good. So I prefer to put in the same in the other line, and then C out in line. Okay, I can leave it there. It doesn't really matter. Now, and then over here, I can move enter, and C in will record whatever the user types from the keyboard, and C out will move the line on move the cursor in the following line. Now over here, it will also prompt the user to enter the last name, and then C in, I prefer to write in the following line, and then move this over here. Okay, and then I can leave C out over there, and then leave space, and then C out. It will prompt the user to enter a positive integer less than 70, and then C in will record whatever the user types, and then C out over here will move the case in the following line, and then here is what calculation will be performed. So I prefer to put in on its own line, and then leave some space. Over here I can write C out, enter first name, blank, last name, end line, and then C out. I prefer to write it over here and on its own line, and then move this over here. So C out, which is salary, and line, and then over here C out. Okay, separate lines, and then okay. You just want to, it simply means make some space, avoid to have like all the numbers like compact, all the codes compact, so we leave some space on each statement, okay? We don't want statements like on the same lines, doesn't really look good. It's difficult to understand what the program is intended to do. Now let's run the program. Et voilà, the program is working. So now, this is S33, enter your name, I'll write my name, last name, I can write my last name, and then enter the positive integer less than 70, so like 69, and then when I press enter, et voilà, we have the result. Thank you.